channel Makeup Vlogs by MS. This is me Murushrya, and in today's video I am going to be sharing with you all 5 makeup products under ₹250. In today's video I thought of increasing the budget a little bit to ₹250 and show you some awesome makeup products. I hope you guys don't mind that, and I am ready with the 5 makeup products in front of me. So let's get started with the video. But before that, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Hit the like button if you like this video. You can also follow me on my Instagram. My handle is MyLifeIsMoria. It will be given down here as usual. And so yeah, let's get started. The first makeup product of today's video will start with a base, which is the Swiss Beauty Concealers. This is a Swiss Beauty Liquid Concealers, and I have 2 shades with me, 01 and 06. These are the 2 darkest shades in this range, and I really love these concealers because they are so easily blendable and it will look so natural on your skin yet provide you a very good coverage. And I really love these concealers because these were my first concealers I ever purchased. Let me show you the shades. This is 01 Warm Sand. It has an orange undertone in it, so it doesn't really suit me really well, but I mixed this with 06 Clear Moin, which is a neutral undertone concealer. So this too, matches well with my skin tone. I just mix this and make my custom concealer shade and I'm good to go. And I really love this concealer. I think I've said it so many times, and I use this concealers on my videos and I use it outside as well. I really love this, and this concealer retails for ₹169 only. I really love these concealers and I will highly recommend these concealers. Check it out. The second makeup product is also going to be a base related, which is again concealer. I really love concealers. They are so pocket friendly and they are really good for everyday use. So I am talking about this Darling Isabella concealer. I think I have shown this concealer numerous times on my videos. I really love this concealer, and this is my exact skin tone match. I'm in the shade 05 Natural Supreme, and it has that perfect undertone which matches my skin perfectly. And this is the shade. This retails for ₹225 only. I bought this for ₹180 from Purple, and you will always get sale on Purple. You can get this easily between the range of ₹150 to ₹200, which is a very budget friendly range. One downside of this concealer is that it only offers 0.3 grams of product, which is really sad. Like, this is a chota tube, literally very chota. This is again a very good coverage natural finish concealer, and if you get a shade in this, then it's awesome. It will easily cover up your blemishes and acne spots in no time, and I really love this concealer, so make sure to check this one out. I will have the link in the description box below. The next 2 makeup products concentrate on the eye region, which is a very gorgeous feature of our face. So the third makeup product of today's video is going to be an eyeliner, and I'm talking about the Blue Heaven Line and Design Sketch Eyeliner Pen. This comes in a sketch pen form, which is again really convenient, and you can draw thick strokes, also thin strokes with it. It's really pigmented, jet black, waterproof and smudge proof for only ₹150. It's a very beginner friendly, easy to use eyeliner. I really love this eyeliner. This was my first eyeliner pen. So I have this for 1.5 years and it's still not dried yet. You can use this product for a long amount of time, which is again really good for ₹150. And when I bought this, it was for ₹225, but it is now slashed down to ₹150. Like, the MRP is ₹150 only. So again, it's a really budget friendly, good option, good recommendation. Please check it out. The next makeup product is for our eyebrows, which is the Blue Heaven Artisto Brow Pencil / Styler. This eyebrow pencil has 2 sides. In one side it has the retractable eyebrow pencil, and on the other side it provides you with a spoolie to brush your eyebrows. It comes in 2 shades. One is deep brown, which I have, and another one is grey. Both very suitable for the Indian eyebrows, and I really love this eyebrow pencil because it is like smudge proof and it has the perfect amount of wax and pigmentation in it. this is the shade, and I really love this eyebrow pencil. I am using it currently. You can fill your eyebrows with this and it will look really natural. Its net content is 0.3 grams and it retails for ₹150 rupees. Also, this eyebrow pencil has a chota version, which is the Blue Heaven Walk Free Eyebrow Definer, and this is the eyebrow pencil. It doesn't have a spoolie in it, but it is exactly the same thing like this. I will recommend you the 150 rupees one, which has a spoolie in it, because obviously it's convenient and you don't have to buy a separate spoolie for your eyebrows. So this is a very good product, so make sure to check it out. Every product in today's video is awesome. Like, I really love each and every one of them. The last and the final product is going to be the lipstick, and it's not a lipstick, it's actually a lip cream. It is from the brand Miss Claire and it's their soft matte lip cream. I'm in the shade 58. It is a pinky nude, but it has a hint of brown in it. This shade will complement every skin tone, especially the dusky skin tones, and I got this for ₹250 exact, but its MRP is ₹295. But believe me, trust me, this is not for ₹295. If you go to any store, you will get it, below 250 rupees. The price of this lipstick, varies from place to place. In one place, they charge ₹230, one place 200, one place 250. As the name suggests, it's just very soft matte lip cream. It is really comfortable on the lips, though it doesn't survive oily meals, but that's the case with every liquid lipstick, I think. Until and unless you are wearing the Maybelline Ink lipstick, that's literally so hard to remove from your lips. You need waterproof makeup remover to remove that lipstick. Anyways, so it says that it's not a lipstick, agreed, nor it is a gloss, agreed. It's like nothing you have experienced before, okay. It's lipstick cream that goes on silky but looks soft matte. Exactly, this is exactly how it says. With this, I complete my top 5 makeup products under ₹250. If you liked my recommendation, then please make sure to hit that like button. Also, subscribe to my channel. You can also follow me on Instagram. My handle is MyLifeAsMoria. And I will see you guys in the next week. Stay safe and stay healthy.